What's up, guys? This is Lisan from Learning Life Lessons with Lisan, and today we got another back market video. I know this is like the fifth one, but I think this is great just because it's I love letting people know that you can get used stuff and save yourself so much money, especially electronics, especially iPhones. Because new iPhones, when they come out, they're like $800 to $1,000, and spending that much money on a phone, it's a lot. People didn't used to spend that much on phones, and we're just, you know, getting into debt and stuff just on phones. And back market does a really good job of lowering those prices, but still giving you a really good deal. So this iPhone 12 mini that I'm about to show you is the good condition, and I bought it for about, I think, $380. All right, let's open the package. It's like I said, I already pre-opened it, but like I don't know what I did. It's actually looks like it hasn't been opened yet, which is funny. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. Man, that tape was really sticky, so I don't know what was with that. I'm trying to hide my address as well, so just opening it upside down. All right, so now we got the phone in the box. It comes in came in a very nice package. I haven't seen it this good before, so it's kind of surprising. So this is that, and then it's a white box. And there's the phone. It was wrapped in plastic. So we'll take a look at that in a second. I haven't checked to see if there is anything else that comes with it. Let's see. So I think, I don't know. I guess it came with like a manual. I don't think there's anything else. Yeah, that's just like a manual, just explaining what an iPhone is, which I'm kind of surprised. Most people should know that by now. But it comes with a USB lightning charger, and then the butt. And these look like original Apple ones. Yep, you can see the original Apple logo. So that's really high quality, actually. I do say that some of the ones that are not like, what am I trying to say? The off-brand ones are sometimes actually better. Okay, so this is the phone, and I'm gonna flip it over. There's that. And it's actually a really nice blue. Look at that. It's a very nice blue. No scratches that I see of from the back, but we'll have to get it close to a light to actually see anything. Okay, so the ports look really good. Sometimes ports are like scratched up or messed up. It looks really good. Again, kind of hard to show. Sides look amazing. No paint coming off. Like, I can't really see anything. It's perfect. Let's check the screen though. Screen, I think, does have a couple scratches, but again, it's really hard to see in this light. But yeah, let me take it closer to the light. All right, now that I have my window opened up, you can see a little bit more. Again, this is the good condition. I'm really surprised. Most of the time, this is what the excellent condition looks like. So you can see a couple of the scratches. Yeah, I know that a lot of it is fingerprint, but like you can see permanent scratches. Very unnoticed, like super hard to notice though. So they did a very good job, giving me a, decent phone. And I love that color. Alrighty guys, so now that I'm signed in, I'm gonna check the battery health and other things on the phone. Just make sure the software, features are working. So going to settings, I can check the battery health from here. So going there, battery health, and it's at 100%, which means it's barely been used. I mean, it's basically new. That's something that's really, unless they replace the battery, but still, I mean, it's amazing. And that's really good. And if you go into general and about, You can tell, it'll tell you just the info, the name. So iPhone 12 mini, 64 gigabytes, and no SIM restrictions, which means it's unlocked. So that's amazing. Very happy with it. It's clean. You know, it does its job. No scratches. Just very happy with it. And if you check, I pulled it up on Apple. They're selling it for $599 right now. So 600 minus 380, that saves you about $210. So that's a really good deal. Saving yourself $210 and just getting it lightly used saves you a lot of money. And going on to back market, so I bought it through Loop Mobile. That's the merchant, and they got a really good rating, 4.3 out of 5 stars, with 776 reviews. It's really good to double check who the merchant is on back market, just because some are newer than others and some have better reputations than others. Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And let me know if you have any questions down below in the comment section. But again, try to save some money and get used phones. All right, see you guys.